Sit comfortably, bring your feet together, hold your feet, move your kidney like butterfly wings, breathe and relax. Sit cross-legged, keep your spine stretched, rest your hands on your kidney, close your eyes and relax. Step 1, foot forward and bend your kidney. Stretch your back leg stretch. Rise one arm overhead and lean back. Place the other hand on your back leg. Hold and breathe deeply. Come onto your kidney, place your hands on your lower back, slowly bend forward and open your chest. Hold here and breathe deeply. Place your hands on the floor. Lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Keep your body in an inverted V shape. Relax your head and breathe. Spread your leg wide apart. Bend forward and bring your hands to the floor. Keep your leg stretched and relax your neck. Bend forward from your hips. Try to touch your toes or ankles. Relax your upper body and breathe. Set up your feet wide apart. Bend your kidney and lower your hips. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Hold and feel the stretch. Sit comfortably, place one hand on the floor, stretch the other arm overhead and lean sideways. Feel the stretch on your side body. Lay on your back, hold your feet with your hands. Open your kidney wide, gently rock side to side. Stand, stretch, place your hands on your lower back. Gently bend backward, keep your balance and breathe.